Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you're paying for and when it renews. On your console or the web, go to Account, then Payment and Subscriptions, and view PS Plus. Once done, note the renewal date and which card or PayPal is linked so you can time cancellations appropriately. You're doing this now so you avoid accidental charges. If you need a password, enter it. If you don't, sign in to confirm ownership before proceeding to cancel auto-renewal. Next, cancel the automatic renewal. On the subscription page, pick Turn off auto-renew or Cancel subscription and follow the on-screen confirmations. This stops future billing, but preserves your current benefits until the paid date ends. Make sure you complete every prompt and watch for a confirmation notice on screen. After that, check your email or account status to ensure the cancellation registered. If payment still shows pending, wait a minute and refresh. Finish by removing saved payment methods if you want to prevent accidental reactivation. Go to Payment Methods and delete the card or PayPal. If you canceled too late, request a refund from PlayStation support. Explain why and cite the date of renewal. Make sure to keep screenshots and confirmation emails. If things go wrong, clear your console or browser cache, try again on a desktop, and if it still fails, contact PlayStation support directly with your transaction ID for faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.